Hey Niklas, finally you come to Suining, huh? We talked so much about. I'm here with Jack, our factory manager.
It's a real big factory here, right?
Here is finally, we talked always in Shenzhen, huh? The big production, and this is our 12,000 square meter factory place where all the magic at faytech happens.
And please introduce yourself.
Hey, good morning, Nicholas. My name is Jack Liu. I'm from Chongqing, but I joined this company in the middle of 2021, which was a fantastic time to join this company. I'm pure Chinese.
All right. So this is a cool screen you have on the floor when you come in.
This is our, I open already the door. This is our entrance, right? It's for sure an optical bonded LED floor, so everybody passes already through one product. Here we have our short product overview, you know, all the products we do. I think we made so many presentations about this, focus today about production, efficiency, and assembly, how we do. So let's go.
Yeah, actually we have more products in the past because now we move a lot of our products to Las Vegas for CES exhibition.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
All right. So what are we walking through here?
Yeah, this is our administration area. All our office people working here, including HR, finance, purchasing, and of course we have some more office upstairs, which is the R&D centers. So basically, the management team stay in this room. Looks quite good, right?
All right. And we see the German flag, the Chinese flag.
Yeah, and faytech flags. Yeah.
For sure, huh? We are the combination of best of two worlds, Germany, China, and make it together.
Yeah, and here I would say especially mention about this. This is our management board, including all the KPI, monthly KPI data, indicating the performance of our operation in this company. Not only for production, but also quality, R&D, HR, finance, all these data are showing here and updated every month 15th, every month. And there's the HR is responsible for updating these charts to show how our performance are every day.
A lot of things happening here, right?
Yeah, in the last 2.5 years, a lot has happened. When I joined this company, I'm sorry to say, Arne, it was really not very good. But in the last 2.5 years, with this support from the faytech management team, we made a lot of changes, not only on the production, but the whole operation systematically. Yeah.
He was our first real professional manager in China.
Yeah.
And so he said, oh my God, where am I? Yeah. But he started doing all the things professional and optimized.
Yeah. One good story is that when I joined this company, here you look at this area. This is the warehouse area. When I joined this company, fully occupied by materials, and one third of the area were occupied by the obsolete parts. But now we already clean everything, and we saved the total area by one third. Totally 12,000 square meters, and now we have around 4,000 square meters free. But our total production value output has been 4 times on the basis of 2 years ago. Yeah.
So a lot of raw materials in there?
Yes, here actually not only raw materials, but a far end, that is our finished goods area. So here you can see this is the material receiving area. The ladies here are preparing the materials for the production. Yeah.
Quite some space.
It goes all the way down.
Yeah.
And then you have a space to ship out a bunch of stuff?
For that end is the shipping area. Here is the receiving area. When the material received here and then go to inspection and store into the raw material warehouse. And here is the knitting area actually. The lady is preparing the materials for our work orders and then deliver to upstairs and production finish, and then going down to the finished good warehouse at that end. Then we ship out. This is the full process.
What is your strategy for designing a great factory?
The strategy was to make it a one-piece flow. One-piece flow, not mixing everything up. That will make a problem. So we designed this workflow from receiving here and knitting and going upstairs and to the production and go that end down to the finished good warehouse. So then in this way, in the plant, there's a one-piece workflow. This improves the efficiency.
Maybe we can see this at the end then.
Yeah.
We do the tour the way you designed it?
Yeah. And also, we originally last year we planned to make a barcoding system to make the everything electronized. But we postponed this investment to next year. And this is our electronic warehouse. We control the humidity and temperature here. Basically, like the chips, the main boards are stored here in this warehouse.
It's warm.
Yeah, it's
we
a warm.
should stay here, huh?
Yeah.
Suining can get a little bit cold in the winter.
Oh, Suining, the coldest days could be very close to 0 centigrade degree, yeah.
All right, it's not like Shenzhen.
Shenzhen is warm. Normally, it will not below 10 centigrade degree.
Yeah.
Here, I would like to show you, but there's no production today because we finished the orders already. It is the Easy Shopper workshop, and we finished all the orders this year to Germany already.
Basically, this is, Niklas, my favorite place before. When this room is full of shopping carts, but it's what Jack said for sure in December. It's the most busy season, so for sure everything which shall be installed in Germany to ship already September. Mm-hmm. And then there is a December, January season where no shipments of the shopping carts.
Yeah,
but there are a lot of nice pictures where this hall is full in production.
Yeah.
And most of the year it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's continue.
Yeah. This is the holiday season for German, so that's why there's no order. We produce based on the orders. Yeah.
All right.
But again, we ship in average we ship almost 1 container shopping carts per 2 weeks, and yeah, we had here an extra production line for the shopping carts that it can be produced well, right?
The peak season, I remember last year we made 8 containers in 1 month. So that means 2 containers a week. Yeah.
Okay.
So where are we going now?
Let's go walk. Let's walk upstairs there. Thank you.
Oh, there's a bunch of shoppers.
Yeah.
So it's selling a lot in Germany?
Wait.
Yeah.
Shipping to Germany, yes.
How about all the other countries? Everybody should buy it, right?
This is the tragedy, right? So far we are just in Germany. We are talking basically globally for new clients, but let's see. We hope
Walmart.
that would be the right place to be, huh? But still not. But we hope next year we will have.
Carrefour.
When you have contacts.
Well, they will watch this video.
Serious. In the supermarket industry, a lot is changing, and so the supermarkets are, let's say, hesitating. They don't know where to invest. Do they invest in AI? Do they invest in self-checkouts? Do they believe in the smartphone payments? So it's, and when a market's changing, often the players wait for that the change happened. And but this stops also. And I can just say, in Germany, the users of the shopping carts are really happy, and the markets make more revenue, have higher customer confidence, more revenue and profit. But okay, with your video, we will find someone to hop on, huh?
Meanwhile, we're developing the shopping cart for Chinese market, and it's on the way. Maybe next year you can see the shopping carts especially for China.
That was some of our older videos running in a loop.
Yeah.
Sure. Your videos are very famous everywhere.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here we get up to the second floor. It's outside our workshop already, but before we get into the workshop, I would like to show you our R&D center here. So especially, we have our R&D center in Sichuan faytech, which is a branch of our R&D center in Shenzhen. So we work together.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, this is a training skill metrics. All my workers, how they do or how much skills they master, it will be shown on this chart, including all my workers. So look at this. This worker, Mr. Su Hua. So on this skill, he is fully skilled. So one square with four circled means he is fully skilled. So on this chart, everybody can see who is the best one, how much he or she need to learn. Okay.
So he's really doing a lot with motivation and competition and making secure that the people are always improving.
Here is our R&D center. Now, not all the engineers are in the office. They maybe go to the workshop already. And of course, we're hiring some more. Hey, this is Thomas now. Hi, Thomas, say hello.
Hi.
Okay.
He's our Shenzhen expert.
Yeah.
He should be in the videos, I think, for some quite years, but he comes originally, so he went back. And for sure, here the engineering, they focus on production support, preparation, analyzing of issues,
testing,
how to make it more efficient.
Yeah.
So they are most of the time in the workshops.
Yeah. And we also start to do more sampling in order to make sure everything's fine before go to production. Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, this is our welding workshop. All the workers are here doing the main boards or soldering.
It's a production preparation.
Yeah, this
also.
is a production preparation.
When they're, we are very strong in also smaller quantities, customized productions, and so wherever something needs to be prepared, really by hands, they're doing this here.
Yeah.
And you see, for sure, important is all the extraction areas. We take really care about the safety of the people, and that everything is done.
What did she say on the speaker?
The break time is finished. So let's here. Let's have a look at our sampling room. We are now right now preparing the samples before going to start to production. Here is especially for the sampling sample room. This is a PE manager or process manager. Now he is testing some of the easy shopper lines, one of our sample products.
That's a smaller brother of the Easy Shopper.
What's the PCB in there?
It's our own design. This is really our strength.
Design,
so basically, really, whatever you see here, all the boards, everything is done by us. Not just the boards, but also the firmware, the control.
Can we look under this?
To manage it. Okay, this is an EMV shield. Right, and with a battery, the battery management is done by us. We are programming and providing then the APIs for the software company to hop on.
Yeah.
Right.
These are the engineers doing some testing or sampling here. Yeah.
All right.
For each here, I want to especially say, for each department, you can see here is the engineering department. Each department also have department KPIs. They have their organization charts here and also their KPIs shown here. So downstairs, out of my office, I have the company level KPIs shown, and also each department, they have their own showing. Yeah.
So he's really the master of organization and analyzing, making secure everything runs.
What's a KPI?
KPI is the key indicators to measure the performance of the company. Here you can have an outlook of our workshop.
I think we can go in, right?
Yes, we can go in, but let's walk outside first. Yeah. Here is the break area for our workers. During the 10 minutes break for the morning and also 10 minutes for the afternoon. So the workers can have some break over here, and also they have their lunch here or downstairs somewhere. Yeah. We specially prepare this area for the workers.
So this is your favorite, right? Talking about efficiency. How much you improved the efficiency?
Oh, efficiency. When I joined the company, the first month I measured our company's efficiency. I'm sorry to say that.
Probably you should not say this.
It was 27.5% direct labor efficiency. But after half a year, we improved to 70%, and now it is already 85% at average in 2023.
What does that mean?
What that means? That means we use the same amount of workers, and the output has been improved 4 times. So we spend the same kind of labor costs, even though I have increased some of the salary, but we have 4 times output value.
Does that mean you get better quality for even cheaper?
Yeah. And
okay, the quality you set up also, that's this year very interesting, an own quality system.
Yeah.
We can probably look inside.
Yeah, later I can introduce more in detail, but this year, starting from January 1st, we started more strict quality control from the incoming material, starting from the incoming material until working process control and also the outgoing inspection. Later also, I can tell you more is that we have our ending system. Ending system is quite a good or high efficiency response system. Once the workers have problems, they can have quick response from the management team or engineering or quality engineers to solve the problems. And also we have the traceability system. We can record all the problem. So that's why you can see this year our IPPM were increased, but now it's getting down. So this is the way we expose the problem for solution.
What is IPPM?
IPPM, internal parts defects per million. Yeah.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
He loves it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is really, Jack is our guy who really pushes for get the things done, don't go home before you finished the things you should have done per work. And
yeah.
He installed, for example, you can say more a system where you have to approve, right? An internal. This is important, paperless approval system. Before, for sure, we were also like paper and sign and write. And he said, no, we make it all digital.
Yeah.
And you need to place digital signatures. And there were managers before who took longer than 24 hours to sign. And now he made the rule that nobody is allowed to go home without that his signature postage is empty. Yeah. And everybody, the managers must make in the evening a screenshot. Oh, I answered all the things I need to do today.
Yeah, here is the room, one area we do aging. So all our products, before we ship to the customers, we will do aging. That means a full functional test. Some customer ask for 24 hours aging. Normally we do at least 8 hours aging for all our products. And this is a way to find the problem before we ship to the customer. Especially for the electronic products, this is the normal process for all. Yeah.
For sure, this will be full in the evening. Also some aging happens on...
here's also another room for aging.
On the assembly line,
So they connect a bunch of stuff in the evening, and you don't have 24 hours of shifts, right?
Normally they age overnight and then they are shipped and packed.
Yeah.
Packed and shipped.
We start the aging right after the assembly. But when we turn on, everything is automatically recorded. But when the next day the workers come back and they can check the data and try to find people to solve the problem if we have.
Right.
And
How did you meet?
he found me on the hiring network. Yeah,
On the what network?
The hiring network.
hiring network. Yes.
I have to say, this is really Sandra, our HR. I'm really happy. She found a lot of good managers, but it all started with him, and then more followed. Huh?
Yeah. This is our testing room, vibration room. So all our products is going to have to pass the vibration test through these tools, in order to make sure our products have no problem during the transportation or movements.
But it's not all products, but it's, let's say, when we do a new product, new series start, then they have the test.
I want to show the
Okay, right now there's no production, right?
No product,
I think we can go further. But he even prepared the battery production for the Easy Shopper.
Yes.
But again, we're in holiday season for that production.
Yeah.
But okay, it's interesting. It's a very special fire room,
It's
right?
locked. I'm sorry. There's no production for the batteries. Batteries are especially for the Easy Shoppers.
Yeah.
Okay.
But again, it's a special fire door, right?
yeah,
and we have some big fire distinguisher when something goes back.
Yeah. That's the government regulation. Yeah. We have to make everything following the rules.
This is really, Nicholas, what people often don't know. In China, you have now a lot of very serious regulations to protect people, to protect the environment. Especially the fire department is very serious. I think they have to invest how much? $150,000 for doing the fire department better.
Yeah.
And
that is especially for the ventilation system, also fire prevention system. The ventilation system is for the health of the employees. We care about the employee, so in this way we can, make sure the employees trust that we don't have any problem. Meanwhile, fire prevention system is very, very important for everywhere. We got to run this plant safely.
The way you organize the factory has never been an accident, right?
Never. At least in the last 2.5 years, I joined this company. I never experienced accidents, safety issues. Did you have that before I joined?
Okay, to be frank, I feel like this is what we are really lucky. We so far never had any really serious accident. I know there was a fight between workers some times ago, but
okay.
Right. The fighting over the overtime? Huh? Fighting over the overtime?
No, it's like about a woman, I would say. Well, okay, that's other topics. That's how life is. No, but
how many faytech children are there?
How many faytech children?
Children. That's a question I'm not prepared for.
Yeah.
You know about one?
You have a couple, right?
Okay, I did too, huh? So But
if we count, right now we have more than 100 employees in Sichuan Faytech. Each one had a family behind. Normally in China we have 1 or 2 babies. So you can see we have.
No, but he asked for the couples which are happening in Faytech.
What I knew is that we have about 3 or 5 couples working in this company. Like this guy, his wife also working in this company as a quality system engineer, and she just gave a birth to the baby, a daughter.
Hey, congratulations.
Both.
But now we make him nervous.
Faytech baby.
Yeah, he got a Faytech baby. Yes.
Okay.
Let's get in here.
So this is really just one comment. You know it also from basically always. We really take care about cleanliness.
Yeah.
And you see it, or the production. And I really suggest everybody to have a look 2013 when we started our first video. So it's now 10 years anniversary. how much we changed. And now let's go into our production now. Huh?
Yeah, here is the material preparation room. You know, downstairs, just now as introduced, we have the material knitting area. After we prepare everything, they will ship to here and then hand over to production. Here is the transition room for the handover. Yeah. Okay, here is the button. Okay, here you go. We have 2 production assembly lines. All this material get in, and then the materials will deliver to the production line. Totally, we have 22 stations for each line.
Which one do we start looking at?
Go in the middle.
Yeah, whichever you like. This is from this assembly line. Yeah.
So you can explain what we're looking at.
Totally, we have 22 stations for each line, but we can adjust ourselves to be very flexible. If we have high volume, we can add more workers. So right now we have not fully occupied like for 44 workers, but we have less than that right now.
What's the product they're working on?
This is our standard front kit touchscreen.
Yeah.
So it's I would say it's a 8-inch, 10.1 inch. And it becomes either touchscreen monitor, embedded touchscreen PC, or x86 touchscreen PC. That's our flexibility that we prepare and produce following what the customer needs. But what I really like here is I think how well everything is organized. It's clean. You see on every production spot the manual. So what they should on this whole take care.
Yeah.
And so it's really well organized.
Let me have some more funny or interesting thing to introduce to you. First of all, here is the laptop the workers will use every day. Here you can see on the screen the SOP. That means the operation manuals. When he is following this manual to do all the assembly work, and these data were networked to the server. And our PE or engineering department will update the SOP automatically once there's any change. Okay. When this worker having any problem, he just need to push this button. See, push this button. Whatever problem. See, I pushed this button.
On aisle 4.
The alarm system is calling for the help. Calling for the support for this workstation.
Now he created some serious issues.
Yeah. Let's wait maybe within 3 minutes the engineer is going to come to here. I'm sorry, he came for nothing.
How do you design each station and optimize and train the worker for every single task?
That is the PE's job. Normally we, for each product, we divided them or separated them into different assembly process. And we basically measure the cycle time of each workstation, make sure their work contents are balanced. So we can synchronize the whole line to make sure everything flows through the production line within a shortened or minimized cycle time with high efficiency. Okay.
And you always analyze each step to try to make it better?
Yeah. In the last 2.5 years, we reduced the cycle time by more than 30% already. Of course, this gentleman always say, it was too long. Then I have to work with the team and minimize the cycle time theoretically and also practically. He always say, okay, the cycle time should be half an hour, but actually, we need to balance everybody's workload. Sometimes it's more than that, but anyway, we improved by 30%. Okay? See, that's while before we wait for the engineer, let me introduce more things. Looking at this yellow box. The purpose of this yellow box is for the workers to put the suspension defects parts. Once she or he found any abnormal product, he's going to put it in. And once the quality inspectors come over, patrol the production line, saw anything inside, he's going to check and make sure these parts are okay. And if not okay, he's going to move the parts to the red box. Here, look at over there. You know, each line we have a red box. Red box means we cannot use. That's a scrap or defects. No, there. No. There.
Behind.
Behind there. That's the red box for the whole line. But yeah.
How do you design each job in the factory to make them more interesting?
Oh, the engineers came.
Yeah, engineer came.
Yeah. How long it take? Really fast?
不好意思，是我呼叫的，我是做了测试，正好你看 ，she came within 3 minutes.
Can you explain her?
She received the signal from this ask, so she came immediately. She's the group leader for this production line.
Group leader.
Yeah, group leader.
She helped she organized all these guys.
She managed this line. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Is it a cool job? Cool job? Is it a good job?
你喜欢你的工作吗？
是购物车组。
他问你喜不喜欢你的工作？
You can say the truth.
喜欢。OK， 可以了。
So I was trying to ask before, how do you design each job to make it maximum interesting for your employees?
Interesting. You know,
for China, a strange question. I would say.
Yeah.
Seriously, we discussed it before in his office. The people really, it's a little bit different than in the West. The people are more happy the more you give them for work. It sounds strange, but normally in a factory in China you just lose people when you don't give them enough work. So they are quite happy when, let's say on this level, when they just get some easy work where they are not making faults. And I think this is, or when I jump in, this is the main idea that all is made simplified, and that way that you can't do faults while you're working.
Yeah, but to make their job interesting is one is to give them more workload. The second is to add some automation or digitalization for their work. Like this gun, this is an electronic screwing machine, so this can be can ease their workload a lot. Yeah.
How about varying the workload? Because if you do the same again, maybe you want to change sometimes.
This is a very important topic for the world. You know, the workers need to follow their process. Every day they do the same, but we rotate their job.
Rotate?
Yeah, rotate maybe, you know, I actually introduced the skill matrix. So every station or every product, we have a lot of skills, not operation steps. So each workers will learn the skills for each steps. So once he is skilled for these work steps, he can go to the next one or the other one to learn more. Then we can rotate them to make it more fun.
So our, probably one sentence, Nicholas. So our typical production lot is something like 100 to 1,000 pieces. And that's what you see. And that's why we don't have, let's say, the robots here fully, but it's really that we do it with people. But you that working spaces are nicely built up, and we have tools which help them to work and process.
Yep.
And that's important. We have a lot of testing. We can see, and I'm not sure if we really otherwise this will be one of your longest videos. But probably I think this line is already more interesting. Here they really do the touch screens.
Yeah.
And but probably here you can tell me she's already on the testing with taking all the serial numbers, and then we have here a test area, and they are very special about this and well organized.
Yeah.
So,
I guess Some more thing I can introduce this station is that you can see this is one of our traceability system.
Yeah.
We track everything we build in each steps. You know, a few years ago, or even 1 or 2 years ago, the biggest complaints I got is the duplicates, MAC address, duplicates, the real numbers. Hey, now do you have these complaints to me anymore?
It's all solved.
Yeah. We at least I can
But
say.
it was serious. It must have been solved.
Yeah.
But it's right. So we track. We have now a great traceability where we track all the parts which are in the systems.
Yeah.
Probably we go a short view one more time around, because here it's at least a little bit more interesting. And okay, now we go from the back to the beginning.
Yeah.
But it's the products, and Niklas, this is probably something people feel like, wow, crazy. You do 7-inch to 86-inch, you do touchscreen monitors, embedded PCs, how you can control this. But at the end, you know, this is it. We do all. We have the display, we have the touch, we have a board which drives the system, and so the technology is the same, and just must take care that everything is well designed and well assembled.
Yeah.
And for that, we have here the specialists. I think also when we're talking about this, SOPs, all the SOPs, so the operation manuals for sure, that was one of the first things Jack started writing. And that was one of the first fight where he said, oh, I need more production engineers, I need more production engineers. I said, why you need now so many production engineers? And his story was always like, yeah, sure, because I need to write the manuals and train the people better.
Yeah.
And so Jack really took total care about,
Now, you know,
doing everything professional and well,
when I joined this company, the SOP completion rate is only 18%.
Yeah.
Now we reached 100% all the time already.
Yeah. Also, one secret is
100% of what?
100% of what? Completion rate. So every steps, every products we have a SOP. I mean operation manuals for.
What is this?
This is a 21.5-inch front kits. Yeah.
so, and for sure another secret, so that your viewers get a little bit the secrets. But seriously, we take special care about ESD protection. And every workspace has an air ionization system,
Yeah,
so
ventilation system. Yeah.
that reduces the chance that there are ESD caused quality issues greatly.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to say
here.
also something,
Niklas,
you can write.
This is the Andong system. Actually, just now I push a button and then call for the team leaders. And here is the display showing each station situation. So calling for group leader, calling for engineer, calling for material, calling for quality, blah, 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 blah. Here, calling for engineer, wasted 2 minutes 57 seconds. So, and also showing how much time we work, blah, blah, blah. This product is our product. Actually, we sell this display or computers to the mass supplier, mass customers, and we already successfully enter Cummins. We built the same kind of display for Cummins engine plant already.
Okay, here we saved costs and assembled units we had, but it's right, we have for MES in China, that's quite a success.
Yeah.
We hit already the first factories we install our systems.
Yeah.
Basically, we could also, a lot of people, we have so much nice stories. And Jane, okay,
Yeah, hey,
she's running
Jane.
away.
This is my production manager, very nice lady. But when I'm sorry to see that when I joined this company, she was so pissed off. Pissed off. So pissed off. I was pissed off by her also, because the efficiency was so low. Everything was not organized. But after we worked together for about 3 months, she really grew up from from unexperienced or unprofessional lady, now improved to a very good production manager.
World class.
Yeah,
No, really. It's,
I cannot say world class, but a very, at least I feel very good about her. Yeah, she was only middle school students, but now she's now almost graduated from the college right now. She self-studied by herself. Okay, very good job. Say hello. Yeah.
No, really, seriously. I loved always, Nicholas, when people grow.
Yeah.
And this is what Jack really did, that he saw the people and that he trained them and let them grow. And Jane was one woman, she made a complete change and, how to say, became a butterfly.
Yeah.
Is learning now English, is now graduating again.
Yeah.
And she is a different person like she was before Jack joined.
Is it a priority for all the employees in the company to help everybody develop?
Yes, actually, Arne, you didn't mention that the company support her on the college graduation, on the education.
Happy. I mean, seriously.
Yeah, not only her, we have a policy for everybody. If you want to grow, if you want to learn, the company, our company support them. Yeah.
If they want to be engineer,
Yeah,
you want to go from assembly to engineer.
we have a promotion process. Like I said, the skill matrix, when they reach to a certain level, we can promote them to be engineers.
So one of our engineers in Shenzhen, he started on the assembly line, and
Yep.
so we are pushing for this. So Nicholas, we have free English classes. So who wants to learn English can do.
English?
No, we have a learning class for those who want to learn. Actually, I remember we have about 20 people enroll themselves for the English class.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So we can test some of their English.
Oh, these
Probably
workers.
next year. Probably next year.
Probably next year, yes.
But I just wanted to say again, Nicholas, these are the things. We small things we take care. We have here a special ESD sponge to have a better connection between front and back case. And you're filming something different now. I should come over. But we do really all the CE, FCC, UL tests. And again, for example, small things like this, they are looking like, hey, why you do this? And probably other companies save it, but it helps to have a better touch. It helps that it's better grounded. And so we really take care about the small things, and that's important. All the products are tested several times in laboratories. We always optimize and do the things better.
Yeah.
Can you explain some of these stages? What he's doing right now?
你跟他介绍一下，你在现在是做哪个工序啊？做什么工作内容啊？
现在在做那个主板，发动机的主板。
安装这个主板是吧？
对，按照
Now he's following the SOP to install the main boards. Yeah.
And doing the final cabling.
Yeah.
All right. You put
I think now he's
your
very
touch
nervous.
screens with the boards together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, before we go ahead, let me especially introduce this. Like this, you know, yellow box. Each station has a yellow box. Yellow box means these components. This worker feel these components have having suspected problems, and then the quality people is going to move these for here to test and check if there's a real problem. They will move to the red box. See, we have something in the red box. That means these are scrapped. We have a red tag for these components. And then the warehouse people is going to take this back to the warehouse and
The supplier and ask what's wrong.
yeah, maybe charge the supplier, maybe return to supplier, maybe scrap them. You know, this is how we control the quality in the process.
Yeah. Everything here is totally processed.
Color coded.
I mean, seriously, 2010, I set up the first production line, but my ability to set up a production line has nothing to do with Jack's ability to has a production line. Yeah.
This guy is doing maintenance work. You know, the products flow to here. If there's any products that has abnormality or abnormal problem, then these products come to his station he's going to repair and fix and then test. And if it is okay, then return back to the normal line.
Greetings to Andre in South Africa. This is a ruggedized tablet with a very special thumb reader and 5G, which we produce for South Africa.
The products you make here, where do they go?
Doing very well.
Once this production finished, they go to the semi products here.
Yeah, globally, for sure we ship globally.
Which countries? You talk
Which country?
South Africa.
A lot of area. South Africa, Morocco, Germany, Turkey, India, Japan, Korea, America.
Is it cool to work on stuff that helps the whole world?
Yeah. I'm more than happy to receive orders from the world. Yeah,
I'm afraid touchscreens don't save the world, right? But okay,
They do influence many different parts of the world.
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
here, you go ahead.
No, I just wait. The testing, the final testing is over there, right? With the
No,
software.
here.
Perfect. Then let's go.
Here, the production assembly to line finished, and then they will go to aging. Go to aging room. Just now we already see, and then come back. We have two times of 100% test. 100% test 2 times. So these workers are testing all the finished goods one by one, fully functional test.
Can you describe more in detail what's happening?
Here, that means each of the workers are testing each product by full functional test. Yeah, different products have different testing requirements. We follow the customer requirement to test 100%. Yeah.
But that's really cool. He made or the product engineer team make a complete software, which really is done for every product, and then they have really automated processes to go through the full product, and then at the end there is a final test result, and they sum up also then that it's done well.
There's a whole design how to test.
Exactly.
Yes, we have designed ATE, automatic testing engineering system, for some products already. 那个 Jim， 那个 ATE 在哪儿啊？
ATE
现在是没有生产那个产品是吧？
对。
啊。Now currently we didn't produce those products
because
also,
for the touchscreen PCs.
Yeah. That is the
It's not
ATE is
touchscreen
for
PC
also
production.
sports.
Okay, this is fun. I want to comment shortly on this. So we reuse old things, and so we had before, when you see 2016, I think, we had a large oven for doing our touchscreen optical bondings, and now he's using this oven to cure the sealings we are doing here. So the product tests went well. Then they do the sealing, goes through an oven.
Yeah.
Into the packing area, and this oven you can see, I think, 2017 in our clean room in Shenzhen, and now we actualize the clean room, and so we reuse this oven for curing the sealing, and then it comes out here and is produced and assembled.
What are we seeing here?
This is now
This
packaging.
is an easy packaging of
After we go
stand.
through the oven, and then all the products are okay, are ready for packing.
What is that?
这是一个什么产品啊？
That's just our stand.
Yeah, this is a
our
computer stand.
Yeah. This is really no high tech, no specialities. But the stand is produced. We will go just when we finish this, we go over to our case manufacturing.
Yeah.
And there you see probably the stand produced, and here it's then packaged. Yeah.
These stands were produced in our JV Zentana, which is
30 meters away from here.
Yeah. Also, it's our we have shares so in the
Heavy stuff.
Yeah, it's super heavy.
It's like a weapon.
Yeah. Now we produce our these products by ourselves. The cases.
These might go outdoors. They need to be in a shakier environments.
The stand is a very heavy ruggedized stand for industrial usage, for vibration and everything. It's not for outdoor, but yes, we just introduced, you know it, on our Mondays, how to say, event. Also a new stainless steel series we are going on. Okay, I think before we break the length record, we're slowly coming to an end, or?
Yeah.
You have some final questions, askings, or?
Oh, before he asks the final question, I want to introduce the good point here. Once we pack, finish the packing over there, and all the packs are ready here, all the product is going to be weighed.
Oh, yeah.
And camera, recorded, taking pictures before we ship out. You know, we record the whole process. So in case the customer have complaints, you know, or empty box shipped.
Complain. At faytech, you don't win a complaint that something is missing, because everything is tracked. Yeah, it's highly professional.
Boxes.
Then packed and then ready to ship.
So the smaller box go in a bigger box.
Oh, this is a different product.
Yeah, this is a large 86-inch project we are doing.
But we can open it.
Yeah.
Something there?
Yeah.
It's 86-inch in.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah, sure.
It's
We
a
have
big one.
large optical bonding and front kit production for that.
Yeah. And once packed and then ship out and going to the finished good warehouse.
So the optical bonding is your big trademark, right?
So we have it right now mainly in Huizhou, what you have seen.
Yeah.
We have here also still one room which is ready in preparation. And so again, it's very funny. When he came, we were even more busy in all the spaces. And then he optimized the production and freed up space.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we are here in a perfect condition to grow. We have still this year an audit where we will have, for example, probably by 2025 here a very large production order, at least for us.
Yeah.
And that's it. We are looking forward to get some orders to how to say, to let him shine for organizing the productions well.
Yeah. I still remember the first year when I joined this here, Arne is talking with me about renting the third floor. And this is a good story, right? You asking me to prepare for renting the third floor, and after 1 year, we feel we do not need. Even though the output has been 4 times more than before, now we have free spaces for, 1/3 of the spaces are free. So we do not need to rent the third floor. And
for now not.
Yeah.
But with your video, and much interest comes, and probably we need it again.
Yeah. With more orders coming, probably in 2025, we need the third floor. Yeah.
What's the sound I can hear over there?
This is a ventilation system. Yeah,
Is
ventilation.
there a way down over here?
No, there's a way down over here, out here, yeah.
And then through the door, and there's finished goods storage downstairs.
Yes, there is, for sure.
Maybe we should finish like getting out again and just...
Here we come back to the vibration room and aging room, but we can take the elevators down to the finished good warehouse.
What is very interesting of Suining, Nicholas, is that here the Belt Road starts. So we have ways that we can send the goods to Europe by train, and this is really very nice. So
the finished goods is going through this elevator down.
Yeah, we lost one guy.
We got to.
You are coming?
Yeah.
We shall still make the case factory, so I think we should come to an end. Otherwise, they're going for a lunch break,
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's continue downstairs.
Yeah.
So last elevator pitch questions, I would say.
Yeah. So can you re-describe again the strategy with the different factories you have and the different positions?
Okay, Suining is really the perfect place for assembly. This is what we discussed here. The people are stable. This is important. They live often with their families, and so Jack can really perfectly optimize and do the production efficient. It's a more rural area, but like I said, the Belt Road starts here.
You mentioned that every employee has their own car here. It's not like a...
Yeah, it's not every, but I think it's...
Most of the employees got their car,
yeah.
at least a motor.
And they have family, they live with their family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody in the house.
No, apartments, not a house.
It's not expensive like in Shenzhen.
Oh, sure, it's one tenth of Shenzhen.
Really?
Yeah.
But how's the quality of life compared to Shenzhen?
I feel quite really good here. Making money of Shenzhen, but spend the life here in Suining.
No, but so we feel like here is the right place for doing the assembly and everything. Next year, a seaport connection to Shanghai opens. We have here an airport. It's really a great place to do. And you know, this was for me important when we moved from Shenzhen to have a second factory in Suining, that you really need to train people what is his operation manuals and everything. And that's my idea when we have in China several locations. Then from there we need to be so well organized that we can also have later more locations like in Germany, India. That's it. We shall be a global company.
Yep.
But for sure, the manufacturing roots and the competitiveness comes, to be frank, from China, and how strong the people here work and how they want to grow. And this is what I like. China is really a great place to move things, and I hope we keep the chance. Huh?
And when you organize the factory so efficiently, it's the strength of China, right? That it's not about just cheap, it's about higher value for money.
Yeah.
And better technology for all people.
Yeah. And actually, the Chinese workers or Chinese people are following the rules very much, and we grow up, together with the company. We improve the system together. Yeah. Here is our finished good warehouse. So from the upstairs getting down, and we store into the warehouse, and all these are ready to ship based on the customer's orders.
So we try to have always backup stock in China, in Germany, so that when you have orders, urgent needs, we normally want to be able to serve you on a short way.
Yep.
And then now the challenge when you have such an amazing tool in your arsenal is to come up with amazing, cool marketing and strategy and products.
Check our video from Monday, huh? We try.
Fill up, like the Monday video is like so many products, and now you just need to...
He needs just to produce it.
Yeah.
You're just ready to produce,
Yep.
right? And you just come with the coolest customer who says, I want this, and boom,
Then we
you're
do
ready
it.
to do.
Yeah.
Exactly
Yeah.
like this.
I always tell my boss, Mr. Arne, I said, you give me orders, even though with the same area, same amount of people, I can double the output value again. So we're looking for more and contribute more. Yeah.
And what's the limits of faytech, like in terms of how many ideas you can fulfill?
Okay, for sure. I think this is probably always a little bit the problem of the founder. You know, I like doing things. I like doing products. I like learning. I like changing. And this is a burden for all my employees. But definitely the limit in China for production-wise is basically not there. What Jack said, we have now 2 floors. We bought them. We could anytime go into the 3rd floor. Mm-hmm. So and this takes where you say, oh, in Germany or wherever you need probably a year or 3 years preparation. Here it's 3 months. Yep. So that's what Jack says. Just give me the orders. I do.
Yeah.
And so we are exactly. This is then my job with all the other teams to make secure that Jack gets the orders. And we are doing. You saw it on the event. We have some really cool products. I can't wait to get them all in the market.
And let's talk
about
the global economy. When the global economy is in a special situation, you have to work even harder to optimize even more.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So for sure, it's
continuous improvement, endless continuous improvements.
Yeah. Right. And every crisis for sure, and definitely this year is not easy. I think nobody in the electronic world says, oh, this year is a great year. But that's it. when there is difficulties, the bad performer go down and the good performer becomes stronger. And that's always our target, being the good performer and growing and doing better.
Yeah.
All right.
So
All right.
That's awesome.
we end in your
office,
management
yeah.
office, huh? Yeah. That's where we started. No, not. But that's normally the first place where I go.
Yeah.
Because here's hot and coffee. And
Yeah.
for sure, Jack made the special regulation. He's a strong smoker. So this is the only place. That's the only
This is the only place we can smoke in the plant.
where we can
This
smoke.
is my office. Welcome. Look at these are the products products we produce by ourselves. The 86 whiteboards.
Each dot is one customer.
No,
right?
this is a world map. Okay. I can work
this
on my
is his
computer.
bike,
This is my bicycle. You got a similar one in your office,
Sure.
right?
Yeah, but okay, this is your son's bike, right?
Yeah, this is my son's, but he don't use, so I take it here. Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Finally, you came to Suining. Thanks for that, Niklas. Very happy.
Yeah.
And I hope this gives a good introduction or experience.
And actually, it's very, very nice to fly to Chengdu. And I hear from the guys at the airport, the security guys and everything, they say Chengdu is amazing. So the whole area here is amazing. For when people visit, they can get a 5-day visa and just look at 11 different cities around. So it's actually an interesting trip for your customers to come and look.
We will see to get more to Suining. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for your interview or camera. Thank
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye.
See you. Bye bye.